Brad Pitt's legal wins keep coming as Angelina Jolie winery battle rages on. Brad Pitt has scored another win in his ongoing legal battle with ex-wife Angelina Jolie over Château Miraval. The Superior Court of California granted a motion from Pitt's legal team on June 17, compelling depositions from members of the Stoli Group, a global manufacturer and distributor of wines, per court documents obtained by Page 6. Pitt's lawyers had argued that investors from the company had first-hand knowledge of Jolie's 2021 sale of the French winery that he and his ex-wife co-owned to Tenute del Mondo, the wine division of the Stoli Group. In June 2025, the actor filed court documents attempting to depose the Stoli Group's Alexei Oleinik. Oleinik has allegedly refused to turn over relevant documents or appear for a deposition, arguing that he could not be forced to do so as a resident of Switzerland. A source exclusively tells Page 6 that Stoli parties will now have to face the music and be transparent about the transaction. Another insider, however, claims Angie did not sell to Stoli for any reason other than she expected Stoli to be an excellent worldwide distribution partner who could help grow the business for the benefit of their children, who stood to inherit Brad's portion. The truth is that Pitt's ego and obsession for control got in the way. Brad refused to work with Stoli simply because Angie chose them, not him. Jolie's attorney, Paul Murphy, insists the ruling has no impact on the merits of the case and certainly has no impact on Ms. Jolie's case. At this point, Ms. Jolie is just looking forward to defeating the case at trial next year so that their family can finally focus their energies on healing and moving on. People was the first to report the news. The former couple's dispute over their $500 million property, which they purchased in 2008, has been ongoing since Jolie sold off her shares for half the vineyard in 2021. The Fight Club star filed a lawsuit the following year claiming that his former spouse had made the sale despite a prior agreement that neither would do so unless the other person approved. However, Jolie denied that agreement, claiming in a countersuit that her ex has been waging a vindictive war against her. The court battle has raged on for years, with Page 6 exclusively reporting last month that the F1 star scored a major victory. A Michigan judge ruled that lawyers for the Stoli Group improperly blocked testimony during a key deposition tied to the case. The court found that former Stoli general counsel, Todd Kuleba, was improperly instructed not to answer 33 questions during a December deposition concerning Jolie's 2021 sale of her stake in the French winery business. A source, however, exclusively told Page 6, this ruling is not a big deal, and it's not going to impact the case whatsoever. The ruling also ordered Kuleba to sit for another deposition and answer the previously blocked questions, along with related follow-ups, over objections from the Stoli side. Jolie, notably, scored a legal win of her own last month. A Los Angeles Superior Court judge denied Pitt's effort to force the Maleficent actress to turn over a set of private emails tied to the winery dispute, ruling he had not met the burden to overcome attorney-client privilege claims. The motion was denied without prejudice, meaning Pitt could raise the issue again later. At the time, a source exclusively told Page 6, it's notable how Jolie has withheld so many documents as privileged. These emails are just some of the evidence in the case. The Hollywood exes have been butting heads in court since Jolie filed for divorce in 2016. Throughout their legal battle, the Maria star has accused her ex of trying to silence her and of using the lawsuit to cover up personal wrongdoings he was guilty of throughout their marriage. Pitt finalized his long-running divorce from Jolie in December 2024, bringing an end to more than 8 years of legal proceedings. The former couple shares 6 kids, whom Pitt is reportedly estranged from: Maddox, 24, Pax, 22, Zahara, 21, Shiloh, 19, and 17-year-old twins, Knox and Vivian.